52 bucks to give away. I've come up with an interesting idea. So what I've done now, I've created business cards, which generally look like this. Not sure if you can see it called the reflectiveness of the sun, but I'll put it on screen now. These are going to be put around and about. Now we're starting in Leigh Market. If you munch around there is actually some of these out already. I won't tell you where yet, but I will announce it shortly. And if you look at these cards, on the back, they're white. Now these are just general cards, keep hold of them. They're the first edition, there's thousands of these, so you know, if you get enthusiasts which wants to collect stuff, then these are the original ones. However, what you're looking for is that there's certain cards like this, and when you look at the back, they're golden. Now if you get one of these, it basically means that you're entitled to a copy of one of the proofs. What I'll do is get it so that you can email me. So if you go onto the website, you can email wecan'tspellsuccesswithout@gmail.com. Take two of these, because obviously if you get a white one and a gold one, then you want one for yourself. But keep hold of the gold one, email your details, name, address. It won't be stored on a database or anything like that. It'll just simply be a note to me. I write it down on pen and paper, and then when the proofs are available, hopefully in October, then I'll post them out to you, and you can have a good read before anybody else. And like I said before, you've done some signing and things, because apparently proofs are more valuable than the actual book, and if it's signed it's meant to be even more valuable, so who knows. But yeah, so these are about. Look out for the gold ones, and feel free to take a normal one. It's got the website on there, and it's a great way of keeping track of the videos and what we've been up to.
The We Can't Spell Success Without You business cards, including the limited edition golden ticket, are currently available at Molly's Candles and Gifts on Leigh Market, Atherton Physiotherapy Sports Injury Clinic, Nature's Store, Lord Street, Leigh.
Well, thank you very much for watching. It's just been a quick video, and we'll see you soon. Right, bloody workman, one sorted out. What a mess.